The navigation function of your infotainment system will help you to reach your destination quickly and safely. Functionality includes additional features specifically for electric vehicles. To switch to navigation, press the Nav button. You can adjust the settings to display the range in your electric vehicle by tapping on Menu. Choose Settings. Select 2D Autonomy and confirm. In the map view, you see the estimated range dependent on the battery charge status by zooming in or out. You can easily select your displayed live services. Just open Map Settings and choose Stations from the list to display them on the map. By tapping on the charging station, you can find additional information as far as supported by the station, and you can easily select the charging station as New Destination by tapping on the arrow symbol. Please note that access to charging stations may require a contract with the respective provider. The navigation system features additional functions for your electric vehicle by pressing the E button. The tab Flow displays the energy flow. Green shows energy consumption and blue shows recuperation. The light grey blocks inform about the charging status of the battery. By tapping on Statistics, you can see the energy flow summarized for a selected time frame. By tapping on Charge, you can manage the charging function of the high voltage battery by programming a deferred charging time. Tap on the Time Edit function. Enter your preferred start for battery charging and confirm. You can also program the temperature preconditioning for the vehicle cabin to start your trip conveniently. Go to the Climate Options menu. Select Options and select Temperature Conditioning. Tap on the plus symbol to add a new timer. Tap on it to program time and days, and confirm. You can now activate the program by switching the timer on. The preconditioning starts approximately 45 minutes before the program time. To optimize your range, it's recommended to have the vehicle plugged in when using temperature preconditioning. Did you know? With Vauxhall Connect, you can also manage charging and temperature preconditioning easily via the My Vauxhall app on your smartphone. In addition, you can check battery status and range anywhere, anytime.